Your refrigerator coils are important in the cooling process, so it's critical that they stay clean to ensure that your refrigerator is running efficiently. Now, to clean your coils, we're going to need some simple items. We're going to need a vacuum cleaner with attachments. We're going to need a 1/4 inch nut driver. We're going to need a flashlight and a condenser coil cleaning brush. Now, before we get started, you need to unplug your refrigerator or turn the power off completely. Next, we're going to need to remove the grill from the bottom of the refrigerator. You just pull it out. Okay, now you're going to take your flashlight, look underneath, and see if there's some large debris under there. It also gives you a target. When you're using the wire brush or the vacuum cleaner, be gentle. You don't want to damage the coils. There is no need for routine condenser cleaning in normal home operating environments. If the environment is particularly greasy or dusty, or there is significant pet traffic in the home, the condenser should be cleaned every 2 to 3 months to ensure maximum efficiency. All right, now that we've got the grill all cleaned up from the front, we're going to focus our attention on the back of the refrigerator where the condenser fan lives. There's a lot of dirt back there too. Now, we're going to have to move the refrigerator from the back wall, but to make the job even easier, empty refrigerator by putting all your food into a cooler. So that's what we're going to do next. Warning, tip over hazard. Your refrigerator is top heavy and tips easily when not completely installed. Keep doors taped closed until refrigerator is completely installed. Use 2 or more people to move and install the refrigerator. Failure to do so can result in death or serious injury. Now that we've gotten the refrigerator pulled back from the wall, we've got our condenser fan located right here. We're going to take our 1/4 inch nut driver, take apart the back panel, expose the fan, vacuum it up, and then put it all back together again. All right, that's the last screw. It's all put back together again. Now the thing we're going to do next is, as long as the refrigerator is back from behind the wall, you're going to find it to be fairly dirty. So get your vacuum cleaner out and make sure you clean the entire area because you don't want that debris going back into the coils. If your plug is exposed, now is a good time to plug it in. Warning, electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Okay, we pushed our refrigerator back up against the wall. Now all we need to do is put our grill back on, and we're pretty much done. Well, now that we have the refrigerator all put back together again, and it's all turned on, we're going to put our food back inside, and that wraps it up. Now, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon.